I spent the past year testing out some of the world's most popular online courses that are absolutely free. And in this video today, I'm going to share with you the 5 best free online courses that come with a completion certification that you can use to leverage to making more money online, getting better jobs, and just expanding your own knowledge for no extra cost. Imagine being able to start your own online business without having to spend 4 years going to university and being able to save hundreds of thousands of dollars in the process. In this video, I'm going to share the 5 free courses that are going to help you make more money online for absolutely free, and you're going to be able to get a valuable certificate upon completion. E-learning industry is absolutely booming, and by 2025, they're expecting it to be a $325 billion industry. Many people are turning to online courses to gain new skills, increase their earning potential, and even switch careers. Now let's get into the list of the 5 best free online programs. Imagine you could download the marketing knowledge of an industry expert in just a few weeks for absolutely free. This is where HubSpot Academy comes into play. HubSpot Academy is one of the best in-depth training programs that's absolutely free, comes with certifications of completion, and has so many different options no matter what industry or interest you have. So HubSpot is one of the world's most powerful CRMs, and they've built an amazing catalog of free online training courses. With the HubSpot Academy, you can access over 45 free online courses. Inside the HubSpot training program, you're going to learn about all different types of marketing techniques like digital marketing, social media, email marketing, how to grow a YouTube channel, personal branding, and so much more that you're going to want to take a look at this, and make sure you guys stick around to the end. I'll show you how to find links to access all of these courses. So you might be wondering, Mike, how do I make money with digital marketing or any of these skills? Well, again, you're going to learn this skill. It might take you a few weeks, but after you've learned the skill, you figure out what is the thing that you can offer to a client or you can use to leverage to getting you more money. One of the best ways, and pretty much all of these things we're going to talk about, if you really are excelling at one of these, or you just love it and want to take it to that next level, what I suggest is ironing out an offer, taking it to a freelancing platform like Upwork, and then offering these services for somebody else. Again, what you can do if you're starting off is say, hey, I'm a beginner. I want to do this for your business. Usually it costs $1,000 per month, but I'm going to do it for free. All I ask for in return is a testimonial. If you like what I do for the first 30 days, then we can go ahead at my normal rate of $1,000 per month. Have you ever been on social media platforms and you see an advertisement or maybe just a post that you didn't know was an ad and it looks like it's speaking directly to you? Or maybe you were having a conversation about something and then later on you see on social media, hey, this ad is targeted right at me, right what we're talking about. Well, this is the power of Facebook advertisements, and it can be one of the highest paid online marketing industries and one of the highest paid online jobs that you can offer to freelancers or you can offer to companies. Learning Facebook ads can be your golden ticket to leveraging up your side hustle or building a whole sort of agency. Facebook offers really in-depth and insightful free courses through the Facebook Blueprint. These courses teach you everything from creating your first ad to optimizing campaigns for your best results. You'll learn how to target audiences, set budgets, analyze performance, plus you'll get a certification that you can significantly boost with your resume. With these skills, you can offer your services to businesses looking to advertise on Facebook, helping them reach their target audience more effectively. Many companies are willing to pay a premium for experts who can manage their ad campaigns and generate higher returns on their investment. So you're probably wondering, how does this actually make money? I've taken this program and it's one of the best resources out there, and go figure, Facebook knows more about their ad platform than anybody else in the world. So what I suggest is figuring out, take the free course first, and then if you really like it, try to win some clients before you go ahead and start investing more and more into these other paid academies. The great thing about Facebook is what you can do is you can go a few different routes with this. You can find clients, you can find businesses to work for or to have them hire you. And you can also do it for your own business. Let's say you always had that business idea that you wanted to test. You can create the version 1.0, the beta version, run some Facebook ads because now you understand it, and see if you can get this profitable. If you're able to make it profitable for yourself, imagine that you can do it for your other people. You can scale up your own offer, or you can help people out on the side. Some people do both. I've seen some really interesting Facebook advertisement agencies that are able to build their own offers and help other people scale. Typically though, 95% of the people I see just focus on Facebook ads, or they focus on Google ads, and sometimes occasionally people offer both. One of the largest companies in the world, a multi-billion-dollar company and industry, offers some of the best courses for absolutely free. Now, what I'm talking about is the Google Ads Suite, which is a free courses that go super in depth on all of their different platforms, but the one that I highly suggest checking out is their Google Ads course. This allows you to learn advanced strategies for maximizing ROI and learning how to essentially get started. By the end of this course, you'll be able to have the skills to run a profitable ad campaigns and a certificate to prove it. You can use this knowledge to work as a freelance digital marketer or join a marketing agency or just offer these services to clients. And if you're interested in running your own business, you can also use these skills to leverage your own business and offers to make your own side hustle. Businesses are constantly looking for good media buyers who can actually go in and get results. The thing about advertisements is it can be a little tricky. It might work for one industry or one offer, but it might not work for the next person. So understanding who your avatar is, who is going to be a good person to actually do this for, is going to be something you need to figure out. What I suggest is trying to pick a niche. A niche might be an e-commerce brand who's selling a product that's over $500, but they're only doing SEO and haven't figured out Facebook ads or Google ads. This type of avatar might be a little bit harder to find, but there's a lot of people out there that are doing successful businesses without touching Facebook or Google advertisements, and you can be that person to help them scale up their business to be 10 times more profitable. Do you ever get on the internet and feel like you're being tracked? Well, it's pretty true, and there's a billion-dollar company that's invested a ton of money into figuring out the analytics side of the internet. And what I'm talking about is Google Analytics, one of the most powerful platforms out there for figuring out where are people coming to from your website, what traffic, what are they doing, what pages are they visiting, how are they interacting with your whole website? And Google Analytics is an entire in-depth suite that allows you insights into your customers and prospects' sort of customer journey. Imagine you want to see why people are leaving or spending time on certain pages, but not spending time on other pages. In Google Analytics, you can see that, hey, the average person is spending 10 minutes on your homepage, but they're only spending 1 minute on your sales page that isn't getting very good conversion. Well, you can use Google Analytics to figure out some details about why this is happening, and then you can make changes to make sure that this actually improves. This is just a very basic sort of overview of Google Analytics, and there's so many more advanced tactics that you can do. The cool thing is Google made an online course that shows you everything you need to know to learn about analytics. Now, they've made a huge update in the past year, and Google Analytics, in my experience, has gotten a lot worse, a lot more limited, and it seems like there was a lot of implications with privacy, and that's why they made this big transition. Privacy is a little bit limited, but again, if you're able to understand this newer version of Google Analytics, you're going to be in a smaller percentile of people who can now learn this new industry and offer it to businesses, do it for themselves, or just go out to the freelancing marketplace and try to find clients. What if I told you you could take courses from one of the most prestigious Ivy League universities in the entire world for absolutely free? Now, what I'm talking about is Harvard University. Harvard offers a range of free online courses through their online learning portal. From computer science to business management, these courses are taught by world-renowned professors. Not only will you gain valuable knowledge, but you'll also earn certificates that carry the prestige of Harvard's university. These certificates can enhance your resume to open doors to high-paying job opportunities, whether you want to advance in your current career or pivot to a new field. The skills and credentials from Harvard's courses can help you achieve your goals. Now, imagine going to Harvard, paying $0 while other people have paid $200,000 to actually get a certificate of training programs. It's pretty cool. There's a lot of resources out there. And again, there's so many free resources to get started. But what I see with all of these free resources is they're lacking a few things that help people really get results. And let's dig into what some of those shortcomings are. So the main things missing from all these free programs is there's no community, there's no one-on-one support, and there's no way to actually take the skill that you're learning and offer it to the market to scale up a business or a side hustle. So it's missing a lot of different elements where you see all these people take free courses, and if they don't have a business or if they don't have an offer, it's not really relevant to really scale up their income. So what I suggest is trying to take the free courses, see if you can find some initial success with making money by offering it to certain clients and then doing the service for them. But if you want to expedite the whole process and figure out the hard part, which is how to land clients, how to market your services, you're going to want to find a community and a service or a program that offers all of this. So if you want to learn more about something that fits all of the above, I'm going to leave a free training below, and you can visit copysharks.com to learn about how to make 6 figures as a side hustle with freelance writing. Again, this training is going to go through all the cool ways that we're using AI and how we're able to use it to land high-paying writing projects from the comfort of your home or anywhere in the world. Essentially, this program teaches you the step-by-step process to be a profitable freelance writer, but it teaches you those more important things that are missing from a lot of the free programs, like a community access, direct one-on-one access to myself and other expert writers. And the most important part is how to actually leverage your skills to learn and earn money at the same time. So thanks so much for sticking around. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for the new videos I'm putting out every single week.